Hi everyone, welcome to Richmond Wheel and Caster. Today we're going to show you how to locate and check the fuses on your slide motors. I have our three main models here in front of us. So what I'll do is go through each one individually and I'll take the tops off and we'll show you how to check them. So here we have our GTR 156 sliding motor. Now this is a 240 volt powered motor, so please, before you do anything, please take the time to turn the power off and remove the cord. As you can see here, I've got the main cover off and the internal cover off also, and the fuse location is actually here at the bottom of the PC board. So to open this up, you'll see that at the bottom of the fuse box is a little slot. So all you need to do is just take a rather small screwdriver, place it in the bottom and just pull it back towards the PC board, and you can see the fuse inside. From here you should be able to see the fuse to see if it's broken. If it is, you just need to remove that fuse and replace it. Here we have our GTR 064 slide motor. This is a 240 volt powered motor, so please, before you do anything, unplug your cord and turn the power off. As you can see here, I've taken off the main case and the internal case so you can get access to the PC board. Now the fuse box is located at the top of the PC board here. To open this up, put a small screwdriver in and flip the lid back, and inside you can see the fuse. Now you should be able to see whether the fuse is blown from here. If it is blown, you just need to take this out and obviously replace it with a new fuse. Here we have our GTR 207 low voltage slide motor. Now, despite this being a low voltage 24 volt power supply, it's still best to unplug your 240 volt power source and remove any power from the motor. As you can see, I've taken off the main cover and the internal cover, and at the bottom of the PC board here you can see the fuse box. To open the fuse box up, small screwdriver into the slot and just pull it back, and you can see the fuse inside. Now you should be able to see from here if the fuse is damaged or blown. If it is and you need to replace it, just pop that out and replace it with a new fuse.